Welcome guys, this is OPTIMER FX where profitable strategies are being shared. Now let me review to you a strategy you can use to remain profitable. To do what? To keep making consistent profit trading. Now if you have not been making consistent profits while trading, after this video your trading history will change. So what I need you to do is to pay attention, understand every part of this video so that you will be able to make use of it efficiently. Now pay attention to the time frame. Pay attention to what? To the time frame. The time frame matters a lot. I have seen some have complained to me that so strategy is not working on particular time frame. Now any strategy has a particular time frame where it works best, and the best time frame is what I single out, is what I do, what I use, so that you will be able to make use of it and remain profitable. Now any strategy that is being shared on 15 minutes time frame, do not go and use it on 1 hour time frame. You will not get the same results. Any strategy shared on 1 hour time frame, do not go and use it on 15 minutes time frame expecting similar results. No, I do make use of several time frame and pick the best. Do you understand? I test all this on multiple time frames, so the one that gives me greater profit than others is what I single out. Do you understand? Is what I single out and share with you guys. So don't make the mistake of switching time frame. That is very bad. So in this video I will review to you a winning strategy, a strategy you can use to change your trading history forever. Now I want you to pay attention to the settings. Pay attention what? To the settings. So before we proceed, I need to remove the settings here so that I will put it afresh. I will insert the indicators afresh so that you will be able to know how they are being set. Do you understand? So let me remove this. I remove this. Now what we have here is only moving average. What we have here is only moving average. So to set up the ADS indicator, all you need to do is to go to the function. But before that, let me show you the moving average setting. The moving average setting. So here is what the moving average setting. The period is 200. As you can see, the period is what? 200. So the method is simple. Apply to close. So the style, choose the color of your choice. You understand? So this is for moving average. Now to insert the main indicator, which is ADX, which is what? ADX. Now this is the default setting for ADX. This is what the default setting for ADS, but this is not what we want. So we need to refine these settings so that it will give us what we like. Now here you change the period to 100. Do you understand? Change the period to 100. That is the first thing. Now you come here, change the PZ to 1, change the color to white. Now the essence of changing this color to white is because we don't want the color to appear, and also our screen background is white. That is why we are changing it to white. So if yours is black, you change it to black. Do you understand? So the second thing, the second one is plus DI. Plus DI changes to 4 pixel. So the color is green. Now minus the I, change it to 4 pixel, then change the color to red. Do you understand? So this is all you need for average directional movement index setting. So you click done. So here we are. Now the next thing is how to apply this indicator. How to do what? Apply it, how to make use of it. Now pay attention, this is how to make use of it. First of all, you need to identify the direction of the market with what? With help of a moving average. Now when the price are above the moving average, when the price is above the moving average, that is the market is what? An uptrend. The market is what? An uptrend. Then when it is below the moving average, it is what? Downtrend. Now for instance here you see that the candlesticks are above moving average, which is what the market is buying. That is what? Uptrend. So we'll be only considering a buy positions. Do you understand? So in situation like this, whereby the price is below the moving average, will only be focused on sell positions. Do you understand? For instance, in this case, this is the moving average, and you can see that the price are below the moving average. So in this situation, we'll be only considering sell positions. Do you understand? So now the next question is where do we enter? Where do we make our entry? Either buy or sell. Now that is where ADS come into place. Do you understand? That is where what? ADS come into place. Now in the side of ADS you see two lines, green line and the red line. Now when the green line is above, that is what? A buying trend, that is at the point where the crossing occur. At the point where the crossing occur, that should be our. So the first thing is that the market is above moving average, so we'll be only considering buy positions. So come to the side of ADS where the green line crosses the red line. Where the green line crosses the red line, that is where you make your what? Buy entry. So here now, here is where the green line crosses ADX, so we make our buy entry here. Have you seen it? So this is the crossing here. See where the crossing occur here. So we make our buy entry accordingly, as you can see. So this is what? Excess profit. Have you seen it? Is what? Excess profit. So the market is still above moving average. Have you seen it? The market is still above moving average. So we wait for another crossing. Here is another crossing where the green line crosses the red line and move above. So we take our second buy entry here. This is where we take our buy entry again, and this is what? Excess profit, as you can see. So that is for buying. Now in the case of sell, in the case of what? Sell, look here. Now the market crosses below moving average, as you can see. So here now we make our sell entry here. We make our what? Sell entry here. So this is what? At this point we make our sell entry here. I seen it, and this is what? Excess profit. So if you mix that entry, here is another entry. Look at it. Mind you, the candlesticks are still below, so you make here another entry here, another sell entry here, another sell entry, This is what excess profit. So that is how you keep on making your profit. Do you understand? So study it, apply it. Now the time frame is 15 minutes time frame. Volatility 10 index, 50 minutes time frame. Do you understand? So if you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video so that others will benefit. Do you understand? Thank you.